Hello everyone and welcome to this new Wix tutorial where I'm going to show you guys how you can make your header fade with scroll effect in your Wix Studio. For that, what you need to do is go to yourwix.com. There you need to log in or sign up using Isotable password or a Google or email account. After that, this is the type of the dashboard that must appear on your screen. Now what you're going to do is go create a new site if you don't have one. You see, I'm going to quickly create a site set up without chat, and I'm going to skip all these options, but you can edit these options according to your preference. And it is going to load my dashboard. After that, I'm going to move to my design side and skip all the things. I'm going to pick a template. You can also generate your own design. I'm just looking for the header scroll effect. For that, let's just choose this one. I'm going to click on edit. It is going to take a while to load and prepare the site so that it makes each and every feature ready to change. After that, you are simply going to go to the editor menu. There, you see it has prepared my site almost. You need to wait, and after that you're going to navigate to your Wix header. Let's just see. This is my Wix header. I'm going to click on this. You see, this is my Wix header. I'm going to click on this quick edit option right here, or you can also go click on this edit header, and you see this is the scroll effect. When you click on this scroll, you can edit these, or you could also make the regular changes. You can fill the opacity, you could change the corners, the borders, or yeah, let's just say this is the one I'm looking for. This is the animation, or I can set the animations right here. Header scroll settings, you could also go to these, but right now, since I'm looking for these, I'm going to go to this option right here, or when you click on this, you could also move to the options right here like animations and effect. I click on this and I click on fade, and it is going to fade, or you see it is going to fade. If you still want to customize it, you can also customize it and set that for how long would you like to preview it. And this is pretty much it. If you like it, you are going to go to this option of preview right here, and it is going to show you that how your header is going to appear. You see it is going to fade. You see it has faded. So this is how you can make your header fade with scroll in Wix Studio. So this is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next tutorial.